Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited to review this beautiful wig from HerGivenHair. It's the blowout textured full lace wig, and I'm telling you guys, this is one of my favorite wigs ever. The texture is so natural, so beautiful, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my hair. I'm going to also flat iron it for you guys to show you guys how natural this hair is. And the hairline on this wig is so natural. I didn't even have to bleach the knots at all. And all I did was co-wash this wig, and I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner and let it air dry overnight. You guys, this wig is everything. I just put this wig on right after it just air dried, and I didn't have to do anything to it. Look how natural the parting is. First of all, let's just talk about that. Usually I pluck it out, I'll put some concealer, but I don't even think I have to do any of that with this wig, to be honest. But look how real the texture looks. This is coarse texture, but it still feels soft to the touch, but it's definitely more realistic in terms of like a true kinky texture. Let me show you guys the back. So I didn't do anything, like I said earlier, I didn't cut any layers in. I didn't even pluck anything. Luckily with these type of wigs, if you want to flat iron it, you can. If you want to put a curling iron to this, you can. You can even do a braid out or a twist out or whatever. Let me know, you guys, in the comments below, like, have you guys ever seen a wig like this that look this natural looking? Like, this looks like real natural hair, you guys. Like, I hope you guys can really take in the texture. And I wish you guys were here to feel it, because you cannot deny that this is, I don't know how they got it to resemble so much like natural hair. I know the wigs from HerGivenHair are pricey. I'm not gonna lie, I know a lot of you guys are not too fond of the prices, and I get it. It's a big investment, but I would say if these wigs are good quality and they look really natural and they last for a really long time, it may be worth the investment. However, there's always more affordable options, and that's why on my channel I try to mix it up. I absolutely can't get over how beautiful this wig looks, you guys. So let me go ahead and flat iron it. So this is what my hair looks like once I'm done straightening it, and I bumped the ends a little bit with the flat iron. And you guys, I love this hair so much. It looks so realistic, probably the most realistic that I've ever had. And I went ahead and I actually put wand curls with the blowout texture. So that's gonna be an upcoming video as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.